Can't wait. It's just food, yeah, keep it deep fried. Flavor so bold where the secrets hide. Most try, can't deny the savory mood. When the heart's in the kitchen, it's just food.
Alright, welcome to 218 Cooking Channel. I'm Ace the Chef, and this chef staying right here. So what we're gonna do is
get into these Wingstop Elote-Style Wings.
Oh.
So it looks like it's just Elote-Style seasoning.
Marinade. Nope. He might like it. Oh no.
No.
And I can bring a guest texture down just to make sure that we're not being bogus. Get it!
I don't like that. Ew.
And that's why we're here, to show you a better, improved way of making these elote wings. We're gonna show you two different ways. My way, a little more healthier version. We're gonna bake the wings in the oven.
We're gonna do my way. We're gonna do it my way. We're gonna try it my way, and we're gonna deep fry them.
It's just food.
And since we're doing elote type wings, have y'all seen lime pepper? We put a little bit in there. That's about 2 teaspoons. Then the traditional tahini. About to do the same. A whole ball fell in there. Well, this is 218 Cooking Channel. That's what we do. Go ahead, put that on like so. In and blend. Oh, that's good. You wanna try this?
Oh.
No, you wanna try the man? That shit good. We ain't got no spoons. Yeah, just open your palm. Open your palm.
It is good.
Look, I'm gonna be honest. It don't look appetizing right now, but it will. We just marinating it. That's all. It's not gonna look nothing like this once we're done. Trust. But we're gonna put this in the fridge for 24 to 48 hours.
24 hours later.
My wings have been marinated and seasoned for 24 hours. But right now, I'm going to put this on this baking rack, and it might help get one of these. For the simple fact is, the airflow will be a little bit better in the oven. This is what I expect when I want to pay for $10 wings and they give me all flats. No. These are going to go into the oven at 350 until it reaches the internal temperature of 165. And now we're going to make our mayo elote sauce. We'll start off with about a tablespoon of garlic paste. Half a cup of mayo. Come on, stop playing. Yeah, there you go. Quarter cup of crema. And now, matter of fact, before I even cut this lime, I'm going to use this. I'm going to use a little zest because we're going to use it all. A little zest up in there. Ooh, see how nice? Let the knife work for you. So we're going to start with this half a lime. And I'm going to even more intensify the lime flavor. Just a little bit of lime pepper, kosher salt, a little bit of black pepper. Give it a little rough cut. I'm also going to add some tahini to it. And we're going to mix. I forgot to add my little cojita cheese. Use as your discretion. Watch my hand be magically clean. See? Clean. Hey, Chef Snan, you want to get that a taste, please? Use your palm. Ooh. Well, so anything...
Salty.
Is it? Salty? Let me see. I can fix that. Hit it with a little bit of white vinegar. You don't need that much either. Okay, maybe a little more than that. There we go. Now let's see.
A lot better.
Boom!
A lot better.
It's not salty no more. Oh man. Oh man. We'll be back with the final results of my wings. So now I'm about to add the mayo creamer. Then let's see. Hit it with the corn right here, you know what I'm saying? That my man fried off earlier, Chef Stan.
It's just food, yeah, keep it deep fried. Flavor so bold where the secrets hide. Most try, can't deny the savory mood. When the heart's in the kitchen, it's just food.
Big shout out to him. Talking about some elote style. We're gonna show you. Hit it with a little bit of cojita and cilantro. So what you have right here is something delicious. I'm gonna give it a try. Stan's gonna give it a try. Our dope ass cameraman is damn sure gonna give it a try. Even if it's bad, it's still better than Wingstop.
So after you drain the marinade off the chicken, you want to bread it. Breading has been sitting on the chicken for a good almost 12 hours now. The air helps it get a lot more crispier. It's a little secret that I learned about frying chicken. Now we're gonna fry the wings. Yeah. Put about 4 in, you don't want to crowd it. So a good way to know that your chicken wings are about done is when they start floating. Golden brown and delicious. And now we're gonna do the same thing to the fried wings that we did to Ace's wings. Dress it with the mayo, top it with that same corn, cotija, and cilantro.
Hey, don't forget the chili powder.
And do not forget the chili powder. Chef Stan and Ace the Chef's better than Wingstop's Elote wings. Definitely buy these every day. Let's taste these fried wings.
They do look good. I'm surprised you grabbed that one. You know you like to flatten the tip. You gotta be a real big back to eat the tip. You know?
Yeah, they look.
Wingstop, take notes. Just saying. Thank you for tuning in to the 2A10 Cooking Channel. While we continue to devour this, yeah, I have no more words. I want some chicken. That's what I want. Pieces.
Too legit. Too legit to quit. Too legit. I'm too legit to quit. Sing. Hey!
It's just food.